Welcome to day 1 of the 1000 Essential English Words Challenge. Today, you'll learn useful English words through a real conversation, simple explanations, and quick practice. So let's begin.
Hi, welcome to our cafe. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a coffee, please?
Sure. What kind of coffee would you like?
I'd like a latte.
Great choice. Do you want it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium.
For here or to go?
To go.
Would you like anything else? Maybe a snack or dessert?
No, that's all for now.
All right, your total is $5.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Please tap your card here.
Done. Thank you.
You're welcome. Your order will be ready soon.
Now let's learn each important word one by one with simple explanations and visuals to help you remember them more easily. Welcome. We say welcome when someone arrives and we want to be friendly and polite. Café. A cafe is a place where people drink coffee, eat snacks, and relax. Get. Get is a very common word in English. Here, it means buy or order. Order. An order is the food or drink you ask for in a cafe or restaurant. Coffee. Coffee is a popular hot drink made from coffee beans. Kind. Kind means type or category of something. Would. Would makes sentences more polite and natural in English. Like. Like means enjoy or want something. Latte. A latte is a coffee drink with milk. Choice. Choice means the thing you decide to pick. Want. Want means you would like to have something. Hot. Hot means something has high temperature. Iced. Iced means cold and usually served with ice cubes. Size. Size means how big or small something is. Here. Here means this place. To go. To go means you take the drink or food outside with you. Anything. Anything means anything or item. Else. Else means another thing in addition. Snack. A snack is a small amount of food between meals. Dessert. Dessert is sweet food people eat after meals. Total. Total is the final amount of money to pay. Pay. Pay means giving money for something you buy. Card. A card is used to pay instead of cash. Tap. Tap means touching the card on the payment machine quickly. Done. Done means finished or completed. Ready. Ready means prepared and finished. Soon. Soon means in a short time. Please. Please is used to sound polite. Thank. Thank is used to show appreciation. You. You means the person we are talking to. Maybe. Maybe means something is possible but not certain. Now. Now means at this moment. Great. Great means very good or excellent. Sure. Sure means yes or okay. All right. All right means okay or acceptable. Choose. Choose means selecting one option. Serve. Serve means giving food or drinks to customers. Small. Small means little in size. Medium. Medium means not small and not large. Large. Large means big. You learned how to order at a cafe in day 1. Now it's time to travel in English. Go watch Day 2 and learn real airport conversations. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel